we're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions or let us know how we can serve you.